In this video, I'll show how to connect n8n with the Orkinodit app. Step 1. Open the GitHub repository Orkinodit n8n workflows. Download the workflow JSON file. Step 2. Open n8n. Create a new workflow and import the downloaded JSON. This workflow is set up for text chat only. Step 3. Update the AI API credentials. In this example, I'm using the Gork AI node. Add your API key in the credentials section. Step 4. Copy the webhook URL from the webhook node. Important, copy only the base webhook URL. Do not include the path. In this workflow, the path is text, so don't include it. Step 5. Open the Orkinodit app. Go to the Connections page. Create a new connection and paste the webhook URL. Save it and activate it. Again, make sure the path text is not included. Step 6. Run the workflow in n8n. Now send a message from the Orkinodit app. If everything is configured correctly, you'll receive a response from the workflow. Common mistakes to avoid. Do not include the path at the end of your webhook URL when adding it to the app connection. The app automatically adds the path, so it must be removed. Test URLs and production URLs are different. Update the connection according to the environment you are using.